All right, there's a lot of really cheap Chinese mini splits, and I suppose a lot of mini splits are built in China anyway, but there's some better quality mini splits as well. I'm a big fan of Della. We really haven't had any issues with them, but I wanted to show you Della versus Senville. So this is a 36,000 BTU single head unit, single zone, and so I've got my infrared gun, so we can shoot it in here and get right on those coils, and we're right about 47 degrees on the coils. We've got a 30,000 BTU Senville. Now this one's 2 years old, so maybe this isn't the most proper comparison, but we're going to swap this one out for a Della 2. So if we get right in there on the coils, let me get in there. So I think the lowest reading we're going to get is about 42 or 43. But the really interesting thing is what I'm about to show you. So we've got pretty close to the same internal temp. But what I noticed with the Della is it's maintaining that temp. So we've got a fan test here. We've got 9.8 miles per hour of 10 miles an hour of wind coming out. Let's see what that Senville's doing. And yes, I did turn the Senville all the way up on turbo, and I'll confirm that with the remote when I walk over here. But this is a really interesting test because this is a 30K BTU, and they're both keeping the coils the same temperature. So what you'd expect is similar airflow. So turbo is on, which is the highest fan setting. Check this out. 8.3, 8.5. So the Della is putting out considerably more airflow and keeping the coils even cooler. And it's a 36K BTU, so we expect a little bit more capacity. But I thought that was interesting. So big shout out to Della. Really impressed with these units. This single indoor unit, 36K BTU, I think is around $2,000. And we install a lot of these, but the HVAC company came over here. They wanted my old Senville unit. They said they're very impressed with the build quality inside and out on the Della, so take it for what it's worth. If a customer does want LG or something else, obviously we can substitute that. I think they're even better quality, but big shout out to Della.